Homeowners in Tuscaloosa know how important it is to keep their homes energy efficient, comfortable, and beautiful year-round. With the region's humid summers and chilly winters, your windows play a critical role in maintaining indoor comfort and energy control. However, like all parts of your home, windows don't last forever. If your windows are showing signs of wear, damage, or inefficiency, it may be time to consider a window replacement. Here are the top signs Tuscaloosa residents should look for. Noticeable drafts or temperature fluctuations. If you feel a breeze even when your windows are closed, that's a major red flag. Drafty windows allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter, which can significantly increase your energy bills. You might notice rooms near windows feeling colder in winter and hotter in summer. This usually means the seals have deteriorated or the frames have warped due to Alabama's changing humidity and temperatures. Rising energy bills. Tuscaloosa homeowners often see energy costs spike during summer when air conditioners work overtime. If your bills are higher than usual and you can't pinpoint why, your windows could be to blame. Older, single-pane, or poorly sealed windows let out cool air and let in heat, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Modern, energy-efficient replacement windows can reduce heating and cooling costs by keeping your indoor climate stable year-round. Condensation or fog between panes. If you notice moisture, fog, or condensation trapped between double or triple pane glass, it means the window seal has failed. When seals break, the insulating gas between panes escapes, leading to reduced efficiency and visibility. Over time, this can also lead to mold growth or wood rot around the frame. In Tuscaloosa's humid climate, seal failure is common, so addressing it early with new windows can prevent more serious issues down the road. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows should open and close smoothly. If they stick, jam, or won't stay open, it could be a sign of frame damage, rust, or swelling caused by moisture. Faulty locks also compromise your home's security. Replacing these windows not only restores convenience but also enhances safety and improves ventilation throughout your home. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, chipped paint, soft wood, or warped frames are all visible warning signs. Water damage from Tuscaloosa's frequent rainstorms can cause wood to rot, while prolonged sun exposure can fade or weaken materials. Once decay sets in, repairs are usually temporary. Replacing your windows ensures your home stays structurally sound, visually appealing, and well protected against the elements. Noticeable outside noise. If you live near busy streets or noisy areas and can easily hear outside conversations or traffic, your windows may not be providing adequate sound insulation. Modern replacement windows with double or triple pane glass and insulated frames can dramatically reduce noise pollution, helping you enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home. Outdated appearance or functionality. Even if your windows are structurally intact, outdated styles can make your home look old-fashioned. New windows can instantly boost curb appeal, increase property value, and improve functionality. Many Tuscaloosa homeowners choose modern vinyl or fiberglass options for their durability, energy performance, and low maintenance needs. Upgrade your Tuscaloosa home with quality replacement windows. Recognizing these signs early can save you money, prevent energy loss, and improve your home's comfort and beauty. Replacing your windows is an investment that pays off in lower utility bills, increased property value, and a more enjoyable living environment. If you've noticed any of these issues, it's time to consult a trusted window replacement specialist in Tuscaloosa. They can help you choose the best styles and materials to fit your home's architecture, your energy goals, and your budget, ensuring long-lasting comfort and efficiency for years to come.